Are you frustrated with slow hair growth? You're not alone. Trust me, I deal with it all the time. Even though it takes a lot to look like me, I have to shave my head every 2 to 3 days. But today, I'm sharing the real secrets to growing your hair faster. No gimmicks, just proven tips backed by science and years of hair care expertise. Whether you're trying to grow out a haircut or want longer, healthier hair, stay tuned. You won't want to miss this. So first, let's talk about how hair growth actually works. Hair grows from the root, located in your scalp's hair follicles. On average, hair grows about half an inch a month to 3/4 of an inch a month. I say this all the time. While you can't change your genetics, there are ways to create the best environment for your hair to thrive. Let's dive into what really makes a difference. So firstly is scalp care. Healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp. Think of your scalp like soil. If the soil isn't healthy, the plant can't grow well. Regular scalp massages help stimulate the blood flow, delivering essential nutrients to your hair follicles. Try using the fingertips or like a scalp massage tool for a few minutes daily or when you wash your hair. Also, keep your scalp clean by using a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo. Product buildup, oil, and dirt can clog the hair follicles and slow growth. And I have amazing shampoos and conditioners like my Pure Set or my Hemp Set. Those are really, really good for this type of stuff. Next is nutrition and hydration. Your diet plays a huge role in how fast and healthy your hair grows. Hair is primarily made of keratin, which is a protein, so consuming enough protein is key. Foods like eggs, fish, nuts, and leafy greens are excellent choices. Also, make sure you're getting vitamins like biotin. Really, really important one is biotin, vitamin E, and zinc. And don't forget water. Staying hydrated keeps your scalp and hair moisturized from the inside out. Avoiding damage. Let's talk about breakage. Breakage is the number one reason hair seems like it's not growing. Every time your hair breaks, you're actually losing hair length. Avoid using hot tools like flat irons and curling irons too often. When you do, you can apply a heat protectant, something like my 25 spray while it's damp. Be gentle when you're brushing your hair, starting from the ends, and work your way up to the scalp to prevent snapping or breaking. Sleeping on a silk pillowcase can actually also help reduce friction while you sleep. And I've said this before, it's not necessarily the heat all the time, but it's how you use the tools. So don't be afraid to use a blow dryer or a smoothing iron. It just depends on how you use them. Your hair care routine is really important. So consistency is everything when it comes to hair care. Using a good shampoo, good conditioner, like the ones I've mentioned and I have at least once a week, twice a week, you can wash your hair as needed, but every 2 to 3 days. A leave-in conditioning treatment like my product 25 spray or even my new product Sleek, which is a smoothing and repair serum that really helps lock in moisture and protects against damage. Products that have like argan oil, keratin, and avoid harsh chemicals like sulfates, parabens, certain alcohols that can help actually strip moisture and weaken your hair. Now, it might sound counterintuitive, but regular trims are essential. Getting rid of split ends also helps prevent them from traveling up the hair shaft, causing more damage and making it look really stringy. Aim for a trim every 6 to 8 weeks to keep your hair looking fresh and healthy, and that's even as you grow it. Just make sure you find someone, a hair professional, that can help you grow your hair out and be in alignment with your same goals. Protecting your hair while you're sleeping. Your nighttime routine matters too. So before bed, maybe tie your hair into a loose braid or a ponytail to prevent tangles. A silk pillowcase can help. It's going to help protect your hair overnight. And that's pretty much it. So the real secrets to growing your hair faster are what I discussed. With the right routine, a balanced diet, and consistent care, your hair can reach its full potential. If you found these tips helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe. I really appreciate all of your help. And if you want to purchase any of my products, you can use my discount code YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.